Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So I want to do a video about a real machinist's toolbox compared to my toolbox. So my coworker who owns this box has been a machinist for most of his life. He's worked at numerous places, American Axle for one. So I wanted to do a toolbox tour. This dude's toolbox is so much different than what I'm used to, being new to this and all. So a lot of you may or may not know, Starrett is the cream of the crop of precision instruments, measuring devices, things like that, tools, blades. Starrett's the best. Massachusetts, I want to say, maybe. But anyway, very expensive. Starrett stuff is very expensive. This is a depth gauge. Tell you how deep a bore or something is. If you wanted to measure the depth of things, that comes with different length pins. Very expensive. Is this a Starrett? I'm sure it is. Yep. Very expensive little set. Couple few hundred. Big old caliper. Gotta be gentle stuff. It's not mine. What else you got in here? Is that a Penthouse? A Led Zeppelin magazine? I'll have to look through all of his little notes. He's got so much stuff. Oh, I can't. Alright, I'll have to get more organized here. I don't want to tear through the guy's box. He said I'm welcome to, but still. He's been doing this for his whole life. He has some pens and pencils, accumulated so much stuff. And this stuff's expensive. It's all so expensive. Yeah, professionally calibrated precision instruments. Bore gauges for measuring bore, say piston, like a piston, measure how big the bore is. Indicators, squares and magnets and bases, Allens, tapping stuff. But yeah, vastly different than a mechanic toolbox. There's some like antiques too. Red tapper, he's just got mad amounts of this stuff. He homemade some tools. Homemade stamping machine for stamping out metal. Ugh, that drawer weighs a ton. And there's no tools in there. This is a lifetime collection of end mills and taps and dies. It's just big bucks. It's a lifetime collection, but yeah, it's our lead machinist toolbox. I can't even guess how many mad thousands of dollars they're worth of Starrett equipment. Just super expensive, and you need all kinds of it. But anyway, I need a lot of stuff. I'm going to do a video. I'm going to make my own center punch. being new to this, there's a lot of stuff I don't have. Starrett center punch. I'm gonna try and make one. I don't know what material to use. I was thinking about maybe trying it with the Allen, but the material on Allen wrenches is a little funny. I don't know yet. Maybe a broken file handle. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.